Hello, Hustle Got Real family. As you all may know, you can link as many eBay accounts as you wish to your Hustle Got Real account. I am now going to show you how to link a new eBay account to your Hustle Got Real account. So, you have to go to your dashboard. If you don't know how to access your dashboard, you only have to click on the logo on the top left. So once you have accessed your dashboard, you have to click on Add Another Account. Now you only have to enter your eBay email address, your password, and click on Sign In. And that's it. Your eBay account will be already linked to your Hustle Got Real account. Thank you very much for watching us, and stay tuned by following Hustle Got Real on social media and watching our YouTube channel. Have a nice day.